Hello and welcome to a new episode of the Coding Specs Python tutorial series. Let's start off today with an example. Look at the code on the left-hand side. We have a function called total, and it returns the sum of its three inputs, A, B, and C. So if we run our code, and on the right-hand side we write total of 1, 2, 3, this will of course give us the value of 6. Now let's write total of 1, 2. Of course, this will give us an error because we didn't specify the value of the third argument. Similarly, we could write total of 1, 2, 3, 4. And that would also give us an error because we've given the function too many inputs. So this poses an interesting question. What if we wanted a function which would accept any number of inputs and always return their sum? It turns out that there's actually a very simple way of doing this. All we have to do is go inside the definition of our function and substitute the three arguments with a single one called args, and make sure it has the asterisk at the front. Again, inside our function, we can write args, and that's it. So this now allows us to vary the number of inputs and always get the correct answer. So now let's run our code and test it out. We can run it by pressing the F5 key as usual, and on the right hand side we once again can write total of 1, 2, 3. And that will again give us the correct answer of 6. Now though, let's write total of 1, 2. And voila! The answer is now correct. Again, we can say total of 1, 2, 3, 4, like before. Remember that in this case, last time we had one argument too many. Now though, we get the correct answer. As you can see, this time the function works flawlessly every time. Why? Because the special argument of the function with its asterisk tells the function that any number of inputs may be provided, and that it should calculate the sum of all of them. I'm sure you can appreciate how powerful this tool can be in providing much greater flexibility to your code. With that, I'll let you experiment with this new method and let me know in the comments below what you have achieved, or indeed if you need any assistance. As always, don't forget to subscribe to the channel as well as check out my previous tutorials and coding challenges. I look forward to seeing you all next week for a new video. And as always, happy coding!